guys, and welcome to Live Joy Travel. I'm Jess, and today we find ourselves here at El Chiflon National Park in the state of Chiapas, Mexico. So come along with me because we are gonna check this place out. We're gonna see all 5 of the waterfalls, and we're gonna see what this is all about. So let's go! So guys, we have made our way down from the corridor that brings you straight into some of the waterfalls. They scan your little bracelet, and now let's go have a look. Guys, one of the things I want to show you right here is the turquoise blue that you're going to see on the water. Aqua blue water is that you get to see it coming down from the cliffs into this amazing aqua blue pools where people are free to soak their feet, swim, or maybe just dip their toes. So there's lots to do here, and I have lots to show you, but we gotta continue to climb up. Continue to climb to see this beautiful state park. Well, they call it national parks here. This beautiful national park, and I do have to give you a tip. Make sure that you bring comfortable clothes and comfortable shoes because it does require a little bit of agility for you to get deep into this park. It is important for me to note that if you don't want to take a day trip here, there are cabins that you can actually spend the night here and enjoy the sights and the sounds of the water deep into the night. We are exactly 718 meters to the Brightsville waterfall. I'm not great with the metric system, but it sounds like quite a bit, so I need to keep moving. Alright guys, I guess we gotta take a break because I just read a sign that says if you have asthma, you better puff. Done and done. So guys, as we are on our journey to check out the Brightsville waterfall, we get to walk by the waterfall by the name of a sigh, a simple sigh. Guys, what do you think of this climb?
It's very nice, very beautiful to see all of this waterfall.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of worth running out of breath, isn't it?
Yes, yeah, definitely.
What are you doing? She's so ridiculous.
I'm an idiot.
That's what I married.
That's what he married. There are restrooms about halfway through. Right after the Angel Wings waterfall, you will find restrooms to use, so don't despair. You will also find water right at this point. You know, one of the things I'm really loving about, one of the things I'm really loving about this whole trek is that you have motivational plaques as you go up. You continue to get motivated to keep going, not only on this trek, but just in life overall, guys. In this case, it says, if you don't put forward the effort, continue to push yourself to the limit, you will never know where your limit is. That's deep. So let's keep pushing our limits. All right, we gotta keep moving, y'all, because we said we were gonna do this in record time. So, Jess said that. Oh shit, did y'all see that? My record time almost turned into no time.
Look, the zipliner. You see that?
Yeah, we're doing it. Guys, I am here to tell y'all that today I'm gonna take the zip line. What do y'all think? Am I gonna chicken out? We'll see. Give you guys this beautiful view. As the zip liner's right above us. Guys, I have to show you all. Guys, we have one more climb. Let's go. Come with me as we huff and puff. Guys, we made it to the very top. They've even congratulated us. But we finally made it. But most importantly is that I pushed myself to the limits. I didn't just climb the stairs. I tried to speed walk through the entire area and jog through the steps to get here in record time. Adrian, do you think I did it?
I think you did.
I think I tried my best, you guys. I don't know that the timing was very good, but I can say that I did my best. So we have two choices now. We climb our asses down or we zip line it down. Guess we'll choose. Guys, look at this beautiful view. Wow. Guys, I just had a crazy idea. I don't know if we have enough time to make it happen, but I'm surely going to try and recruit Adrian for this. You see the people over there? Adrian, what do you say? Should we get close?
Yeah, I think it's great.
I think if we zip line it down, we may have enough time to get back.
Yeah.
So, let's make it. Guys, we're almost there. I want to show you the steps. Incredibly wet, very slippery. People are hanging on. So even if you're a germaphobe, make sure that you hang on to the railing. Adrian's gonna cover our backpack. Things are about to get wet and it's gonna be worth it. And I'm not hanging, oh, the railing is even more slippery. So disregard that word of advice. We're trying to move through this. This is in fact dangerous, guys. If you're not ready for this, you can look at it from far away. Sorry, I think I kicked Adrian. We made it! Alright guys, we keep moving. The rail did not work out. It's 1,000 times more slippery. This is like the perfect spot for it. I want to give you a view of the other side. Check out that view. Adrian and I, we're waiting for our turn to take on this Bell of the Ride waterfall.
Real refreshing, actually.
Super refreshing. Yeah. Especially after that hike. It's almost our turn, guys. Wow! I swallowed the water! So, let's go down. Guys, as you see, there are struggles, there are power struggles here. People want to make sure that everybody gets a glimpse of it. I'm going to hang on to Adrian's backpack. Yeah. And turn the camera over because this is more dangerous than the way up. Oh, you see that? Let's move that so nobody falls. We're gonna have to take this corner on our own, disculpa. We're alive!
And all wet.
All wet. Okay, so we are super wet right now. I'll show you guys this. Look at that. Guys, this place is so beautiful. I tried to FaceTime my mom, but unfortunately I don't have enough signal, so we just are gonna have to show her the video later. We're gonna get you some better views. So guys, we have two options. I think we've chosen to zip line down.
Oh, let's ask first.
We're gonna ask first what how this works. Guys, it's happening. Let's emphasize that I'm afraid of heights. You only live once, right? Okay. Guys, Adrian's gonna do it too. Baby, how do you feel about this?
Oh, I've done it before. I'm not afraid.
Guys, it's Adrian's turn to get ready. In retrospective, the hike down didn't look so bad. To my mother, I'd like to apologize for the reckless behavior I am about to embark upon. Adrian, how many times have you done this?
Oh, I can't even remember.
Adrian has done this several times. It's my turn. Oh. Oh. Now we're going up to it. Let's hope I don't pass out. Guys, this is gonna be the first of 3.
Yeah.
And I haven't had anything to drink today, so this is pure courage.
At least you won't pee yourself.
Yeah, I won't pee myself. Oh, Lord. Wow. You go right above the water all the way down. Get ready for me to scream. Ah!
You can go up.
Okay. I like to apologize for my guardian angel for the things
Let go of the, yeah, there you go. You got it, my love.
Guys, I made it to the other side, baby Jesus. I can't believe I did it. We have 2 more to go. And next is Adrian. Woo!
How was it?
Guys, I have to say though, I'm so proud of myself because when I tell you that I have a severe fear of heights, I'm not joking. It's intense. The fact that I'm doing this.
But I'm proud of you.
Thank you, baby. I told my mother, I am coming on this journey to live. There's some things I may not be able to do, but let's try this.
I think the second time around is gonna be easier than the first,
Okay.
right?
That's my very first time doing this, guys. Oh.
find Jess. I think she went down.
Hi guys, so we've made it down from the zip line. I have to say, I can't believe I actually made it. Wow, the adrenaline, y'all, I cannot even explain it. On that last ride though, I kind of got stuck a little bit right before I got in because I panicked and I pulled down on the brakes, so they had to go get me. But that's okay. What matters is that we brought you guys this amazing experience. Thank you so much for coming along with us. This is gonna close out the video today for Chiflon Waterfalls here in Chiapas, Mexico. Thank you so much for coming along with us, guys. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for coming into this episode of me versus my fears. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay happy, stay safe, and have fun. Bye, guys.